right here we have Mama Benelli and her newborn litter. Everyone's doing great right now. They have full bellies, the room is nice and warm. The puppies are born with their eyes still closed, still developing, so they're still closed, and then also their little ears are still shut, so those will not open. Hey Benelli, let's not nest. So those will not open until the litter is about 2 weeks old, once those are developed enough to open. She's a good mama, very, very into her puppies, making sure that everyone is content and happy. Good girl, Benelli.